Good afternoon, everyone. Before we start the PB conference, first and foremost, the opening prayer by our Chief Quality Assurance Section, Engineer Manuel Tabinga. Good afternoon to all the prospective viewers present at the back room and viewers watching the pre-bid conference, opening live streaming at YouTube video and social media platform. The Bids and Awards Committee back meeting for today, October 2, 2024 is now called to order. May we request our Head Back Secretariat, Engineer Anel Portales, to please read the rules of attendance and the agenda of pre-bid conference.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Our attendance for today's meeting for the pre-bid conference of 12 contract projects from 25EF0025 to 25EF0036. As I call your name, please acknowledge. Sir Romel Cabanillas, back member.
Present.
Ma'am Maria P. Cayaw, back member.
Present.
Sir Edelwin Gapan, back member.
Present.
Sir Ronald Supanga, back member.
Present.
Sir Manuel Tabinga, back member.
Present.
Sir Eugenio Arcaton, back vice chairman.
Present.
Out of 7 members, all 6 members are present, and therefore there is quorum. Likewise present are Back Secretariat, Arnel Portales, and Belardo Tupas. Our agenda of pre-bid conference today for contract ID number 25EF0025, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading damaged paved roads, secondary roads, Puerto Princesa South Road, K0144 plus 316 to K0144 plus 516, K0145 plus 509, K0146 plus 00, K0146 plus 110 to K0146 plus 146 in Soproni, Española, Palawan. And next po is 25EF0026, road widening, secondary roads, Puerto Princesa South Road, K0191 plus 201 to K0191 plus 345 in Brooks Point, Palawan. And next po is 25EF0027, Off Carriageway Improvement, Secondary Roads, Puerto Princesa South Road, K0091 plus 337 to K0091 plus 540. And K0091 plus 831, K0092 plus 477, K0092 plus 925 in Nara, Palawan. And next is 25EF0028, widening of permanent bridges, Tacraj Bridge, B00050 TW along Puerto Princesa South Road in Nara, Palawan. And next is 25EF0030, widening of permanent bridges, Mambalot Bridge, B00372 PW along Puerto Princesa South Road in Brooks Point, Palawan. Next, 25EF0031, rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads with slip, slope collapse, and landslide, secondary roads, Palawan Self-Conferential Road, K0258 plus 513 to K0258 plus 567, K0258 plus 677 to K0258 plus 761, K0259 plus 022 to K0259 plus 086 to K0259 plus 194 to K0259 plus 270 in Bataraza, Palawan. Next is 25EF0032, construction improvement of access roads leading to Punang Christian Muslim Native Road, connecting Barangay Road of Punang in support of oil palm industry in Sopronio, Española, Palawan. Next, 25EF0033, installation, application of road safety facilities, roadway lighting along Puerto Princesa South Road, K0215 plus 327 to K0215 plus 777 in Bataraza, Palawan. And next is 25EF0034, construction of multipurpose building, Barangay 6 in Balakbak, Palawan. Next, 25EF0035, construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Birong in Quezon, Palawan. And lastly, 25EF0036, construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Aramawan in Quezon, Palawan. Our agenda of pre-bid conference is number 1, brief presentation, explanation by back of the following. Letter A, basic contract data including contract description, ABC, and duration. And letter B, requirements of bidding documents including instruction to bidders, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and forms. And letter C, documents to be submitted by the bidders. Number 1, we have the technical component envelope. And then under that number 1, we have Class A documents. Under the Class A documents, letter A, legal documents. Letter B, technical documents. Letter C, financial documents. And letter D, Class B documents. For under the agenda number 1, under letter C, we have number 2, financial component envelope. And under that number 2, we have letter A, financial bid form, bid prices and the BOQ. Letter C, detailed estimate. And letter D, cash flow by quarter. Under also for agenda number 1, we have the letter D, criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification, and award. Number 2 agenda, we have the questions, comments from bidders and replies of bank and other representative of procuring entity. Number 3, summary of proceedings including supplemental bid bulletins to be issued. And number 4, other matters. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Engineer Portales. May we request our Chief Construction Section, Engineer Ronald Subanga, to please discuss the basic contract data.
Thank you, Mr. Vice Chairman. Good afternoon to all. I will be discussing the basic contract data of these 12 projects. So for the first project, contract ID 25EF0025, the contract name, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved road, secondary roads, Puerto Princesa South Road. This project is along station K0144 plus 316 to K0144 plus 516. Then another station at K0145 plus 509 to K0146 plus 000. Then the last station is at K0146 plus 1110 to K0146 plus 146. This contract is located at Socorro, Española, Palawan. The brief description for this contract: removal of damage existing Portland cement concrete pavement and concrete shoulder, and construction of Portland cement concrete pavement 280 mm thick with concrete shoulder of 230 mm thick, trapezoidal concrete line canal, metal guardrail, and other miscellaneous structures. The ABC for this contract is 23,027,016 pesos. This project is under FYGAA 2025 with a contract duration of 90 calendar days. The cost of bid docs for this contract is 25,000, and the pickup license requirement is small b. For the next contract, with ID 25EF0026, road widening, secondary roads, Puerto Princesa South Road, K0191 plus 201 to K0191 plus 345. This project is located at Barangay Pangubilian, Brooks Point, Palawan. It is a widening of road from 4 lanes to 6 lanes. The ABC for this contract is 3,689,700 pesos, also funded under FY 2025 GAA, with a contract duration of 45 calendar days and cost of bid docs amounting 5,000 pesos and pickup license requirement of small b. The next contract is 25EF0027. The contract name is Off Carriageway Improvement, secondary roads, Puerto Princesa South Road. At K0091 plus 337. Next station is at K0091 plus 540. Another station is K0091 plus 831. Then at K0092 plus 477. And the last station is at K0092 plus 925. So this contract consists of 5 stations at Nara, Palawan. So the brief description: clearing, improvement of intersection, reconstruction of 230 mm thick Portland cement concrete pavement and concrete shoulder with 10 meters height solar street lights and other miscellaneous structure. The ABC for this contract is 7,350,000 pesos. Also funded under FY 2025 GAA with contract duration of 90 calendar days and bidding documents costing 10,000 pesos and pickup license requirement is small b. The next contract is 25EF0028. Contract name: widening of permanent bridge, Calatigas Bridge. The bridge ID is B00046PW along Puerto Princesa South Road. This contract is located at Nara, Palawan. It is a construction of 2 units, 2 lanes, 9.1 meters wide by 30.53 meters long RCDG bridge placed at both sides of existing bridge, complete with bridge approaches, pavement, shoulder sidewalk, concrete slope protection with steel sheet piles, application of PCM on old bridge deck slab with metal guardrails and strip LED lights. The EBC for this contract is 65,185,750 pesos. The source of fund is under FY 2025 GAA with contract duration of 312 calendar days, and the cost of bidding documents is 50,000 pesos, and the pickup license requirement is medium A. The next contract is 25EF0029. The contract name is Widening of Permanent Bridge, Tacras Bridge, B00050 PW along Puerto Princesa South Road at Nara, Palawan. The brief description for this project: it is a construction of 2 units, 2 lanes, 9.65 meters wide by 6.5 meters long RCTG bridge placed at both sides of existing bridge, complete with Portland cement concrete pavement, road approaches, and abutment protection. The ABC for this contract is 14,455,000 pesos. Also funded under FY 2025 GAA with contract duration of 215 calendar days. The cost of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos, and the pickup license requirement is small b. Next contract, contract ID 25EF0030, widening of permanent bridge, Mambalong Bridge. The bridge ID is B00372 PW along Puerto Princesa South Road. The contract location is at Rocks Point, Palawan. The brief description for this contract: it is a construction of 2-lane bridge, 8.15 meters wide by 9.12 meters and 8.4 meters by 9.12 meters flat slab, placed at both sides of existing bridge, complete with Portland cement concrete pavement bridge approaches, road and abutments to protection, metal guardrails, road studs, and solar LED street light. The EBC for this contract is 19,600,000 pesos. The source of fund under FY 2025 GAA with contract duration of 230 calendar days. The cost of bidding documents is 25,000, and the pickup license requirement is small b. The next contract is 25EF0031, rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads with slips, slope collapse, and landslide, secondary road, Palawan Circumferential Road, K0258 plus 513 to K0258 plus 567. The next station is at K0258 plus 677 to K0258 plus 761. Next station is at K0259 plus 022 to K0259 plus 086. Then the last station is at K0259 plus 154 to K0259 plus 270. This contract is located at Matarasa, Palawan. It is a construction of concrete slope protection structure with steel sheet pile and H-pile, concrete shoulder, reconstruction of Portland cement concrete pavement, reinforced concrete box culvert, and other miscellaneous structures. The ABC for this contract is 29,400,000 pesos. Also funded under FY 2025 GAA with contract duration of 248 calendar days and cost of PDOCs amounting 25,000 pesos, and the pickup license requirement is small b. The next contract is 25EF0032. The contract name is Construction Improvement of Access Roads leading to Punang Christian Muslim Native Road connecting Barangay Road of Punang in support of oil palm industry. This contract is at Sopronio, Española, Palawan. It is a road concreting, 6.7 meters width, 280 millimeter thick, Portland cement concrete pavement, including drainage, slope protection, and other miscellaneous structures. The approved budget for the contract is 29,400,000 pesos. Also funded under FY 2025 GAA with contract duration of 125 calendar days and cost of bidding documents amounting 25,000 pesos, and the pickup license requirement is small b. For the next contract, contract ID 25EF0033, the contract name, installation, application of road safety facilities, roadway lighting, along Puerto Princesa South Road, K0215 plus 327 to K0215 plus 777. This contract is at Batarasa, Palawan. The brief description of this contract, it is installation of 10 meters height solar LED light, pavement marking, and other miscellaneous structures. The ABC for this contract is 4,900,000 pesos. Also funded under FY 2025 GAA with contract duration of 60 calendar days. The cost of bidding documents amounting 5,000 pesos, and the pickup license requirement is small b. Next contract is 25EF0034. The contract name, construction of multi-purpose building, Barangay 6. This contract is located at Balabac, Palawan. The brief description for this contract, it is a construction of 2 classrooms, 18 meters by 7 meters, plus corridor, 2.5 meters, PWD ramp with handrails, toilet, and septic bowl. The ABC for this contract is 5,940,000 pesos. The source of fund is under FY 2025 GAA with contract duration of 135 calendar days, and the bidding documents amounting 10,000 pesos, and the pickup license requirement is small b. For the next contract, 25EF0035, the contract name, construction of multi-purpose building, Barangay Birong. This contract is located at Quezon, Palawan. It is a construction of 2 classrooms, 25.5 meters by 7 meters, plus corridor, 2.5 meters, PWB ramp with handrails, toilet utility room, and septic bowl. The ABC for this contract is 5,940,000 pesos. Also funded under FY 2025 GAA. The contract duration is 150 calendar days. Cost of bid docs is 10,000 pesos. And the pickup license requirement is small b. For the last contract, 25EF0036, construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Aramay 1 at Quezon, Palawan. It is a construction of 2 classrooms, 25.5 by 7 meters plus corridor, 2.5 meters, with embankment, PWB ramp, with handrails, toilet utility room, and septic bowl. The ABC for this contract is 5,940,000 pesos. Source of fund is under FY 2025 GAA with contract duration of 150 calendar days, and the cost of bidding documents amounting 10,000 pesos, and the pickup license requirement is small b. That's all, Mr. Vice Chairman, the basic contract data for the 12 projects. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer Supanga, for the information. May we request our Chief Administrative Officer, Engineer Ethelwin Capa, to please discuss the requirements, criteria, and procedure for bidding.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good afternoon, everyone. Here's are the additional instruction for bidders. Prospective bidders should be registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board, PCAB, with PCAB license category for the license classification stated in ITB. Bidders should have completed a contract similar to the project. The description of an eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in Section 2, Instruction to Bidders. Contractors, applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works Application, CWA, while those already enrolled shall keep their records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH contractor profile eligibility process and subject to further post-qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the DPWH Procurement Service during working weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulation of Republic Act number 9184. The contract shall be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder, LCRB, who was determined as such during post-qualification. Interested bidders may obtain further information from the Department of Public Works and Highways, Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, and inspect the bidding documents at Procurement Unit Office, Back Building, DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, Nara, Palawan, during weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents will be acquired by interested bidders from September 24 to October 14, 2024, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and October 15, 2024 until 10 a.m. at Procurement Unit Office, Back Building, DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, Nara, Palawan, and website at website www.dpwh.gov.ph, and upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPPB. It will also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System, PhilGEPS, and the website of the procuring entity, provided that the bidder shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of their bids. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the bid documents. Bids must be duly received by the BAC Secretariat through or at Procurement Unit Office, BAC Building, DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office for manual submission, or at electronicbids_Palawan2 at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in ITB Clause 16. Bid opening shall be scheduled on October 15, 2024, DPWH Building, 2nd floor, back room, Nara, Palawan. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidder's representative who choose to attend the activity. Late bids shall not be accepted. The Department of Public Works and Highways, Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 35.6 and 41 of the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulation of RA number 9184, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. For further information, you may contact our BAC Secretariat Head, Engineer Arnel C. Portales, or our BAC Chairperson, Rochelle T. Hermano, through email at bac_dpwhnara@yahoo.com, or you may visit the following website for downloading the bidding documents: DPWH's website, www.dpwh.gov.ph, and PhilGEP's website, www.philgeps.gov.ph. For online submission, once again, you may send your bids through electronic bids, Palawan2@dpwh.gov.ph. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Engineer Gapat, for the information. Engineer Arnel Portales, do we have supplemental bid bulletins issued?
As of this date po, wala pang binibigay sa atin. Wala advice yung planning tungkol doon. Siguro kung magkakaroon po ng bid bulletin, ipopost na lang po namin sa PhilGEPS and DPWH website.
Noted. Thank you, Engineer Portales. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to remind all the interested bidders that only those who are authorized representatives will be entertained by this office. Please let them bring valid IDs for verification purposes. For more information, you may refer to the bidding documents posted at PhilGEPS and DPW's website, particularly in Section 4, Instruction to Bidders. Are there questions regarding these contract IDs? IT officer, kindly check the chat box. Okay, so if there's no more queries, I know the pleasure of the body.
Mr. Vice Chairman, I move for the adjournment of this meeting.
Since it has been moved and seconded that the pre-bid conference be adjourned, I now declare that this pre-bid conference be adjourned. Thank you and good afternoon to all.